Exploring the solar system, a journey through space. From the swirling arms of the Milky Way, a cosmic ballet of billions of stars unfolds. We begin our journey here, at the grandest scale imaginable. Prepare to witness a celestial neighborhood, our home in the vast expanse of space. Our destination, the solar system, a family of planets bound to a single, radiant star. This is where we reside, a small but significant corner of the universe. Let's embark on an unforgettable exploration. At the heart of our solar system lies the Sun, a colossal sphere of incandescent plasma. It's a dynamic and ever-changing furnace, the source of all light and warmth. Without it, our world would be a cold, dark void. Observe the solar flares, eruptions of energy that dance across its surface. Marvel at the intricate sunspots, magnetic anomalies that hint at the Sun's inner workings. Witness the mesmerizing plasma waves, a constant reminder of the Sun's raw power. Now, we venture closer to the Sun, toward the inner planets. These rocky worlds offer unique landscapes and fascinating stories. Each one holds clues to the formation and evolution of our solar system. First, we encounter Mercury, the swift messenger. Its heavily cratered surface bears witness to billions of years of asteroid impacts. A testament to the relentless bombardment of the early solar system. Next is Venus, shrouded in a dense, cloudy atmosphere. This veiled world hides a scorching surface, hotter than any oven. A cautionary tale of a runaway greenhouse effect. Then, we arrive at Earth, our vibrant home. With its vast oceans, lush continents, and swirling clouds, it's a haven for life. A precious oasis in the cosmic desert. Finally, we reach Mars, the iconic red planet. Its rusty terrain hints at a past where water once flowed freely. A tantalizing target for future exploration and the search for life beyond Earth. Beyond Mars lies the Asteroid Belt, a region of rocky debris. These fragments are remnants of the early solar system, material that never coalesced into a planet. A cosmic junkyard filled with untold stories. We fly through this scattered collection of asteroids, each one a unique world in its own right. Among them, we highlight Eris, a dwarf planet and the largest object in the Asteroid Belt. A glimpse of what could have been. Now, we journey further outward, to the gas giants of the outer solar system. These colossal planets dominate the outer reaches, each with its own unique characteristics and captivating beauty. Prepare to be amazed by their grandeur. First, we encounter Jupiter, the king of the planets. Its swirling great red spot, a storm larger than Earth, is a sight to behold. We also glimpse Ganymede, one of Jupiter's many moons, a world with its own hidden ocean. Next is Saturn, famed for its breathtaking icy rings. These rings are composed of countless particles, ranging in size from dust grains to small mountains. We also visit Titan, Saturn's largest moon, a world with lakes of liquid methane. Then, we arrive at Uranus, a planet with a unique sideways spin. Its pale blue hues are a result of methane in its atmosphere. A world that challenges our understanding of planetary formation. Finally, we reach Neptune, a planet of powerful winds and deep blue seas. Its atmosphere is constantly churning, creating dramatic storms. We also observe Triton, Neptune's largest moon, a captured world with a retrograde orbit. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of icy bodies. This is the realm of dwarf planets and comets, remnants of the solar system's formation. A cold and distant frontier. Here, we encounter Pluto, the most famous of the dwarf planets. Once considered the ninth planet, it now reigns as king of the Kuiper Belt. We also visit Haumea, Makemake, and Eris, other dwarf planets that populate this icy realm. Finally, we reach the conceptual boundary of our solar system, the Oort Cloud. This hypothetical sphere of icy debris surrounds the Sun at an immense distance. It's the source of long-period comets, visitors from the farthest reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. The Oort Cloud represents the true edge of our solar system, a realm so distant that it's barely influenced by the Sun's gravity. It hints at the vastness beyond, the interstellar space that separates us from other stars. Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than its year? It takes Venus longer to rotate once on its axis than it does to orbit the Sun. A truly bizarre phenomenon. And what about Saturn? If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. Its density is less than that of water. An amazing fact that highlights the unique composition of this gas giant. Finally, Neptune's existence was predicted mathematically before it was even observed. Astronomers noticed irregularities in Uranus's orbit and correctly deduced the presence of another planet. A triumph of scientific reasoning. Now, we retrace our journey, leaving behind the icy realm of the Kuiper Belt. We pass through the outer planets, marveling at their grandeur once more. We journey inward, past the asteroid belt and the inner planets. We approach the Sun, feeling its warmth and light. We continue our outward trajectory, passing Earth, Venus, and Mercury. We leave behind the familiar landscapes of our solar system. We zoom out, past the Sun, and into the vastness of space. We see our solar system as a tiny speck, a single star among billions. We return to the star-filled galaxy, our cosmic home. We are part of something vast and beautiful.